Hello again, this sorry looking model is from Walthers. It's a Russell Snowplough, this one specifically being from the Pennsylvania Railroad. However, this model is in very poor condition. The chassis is fallen apart, and as you notice right there, the roof also comes off as well, and it's been painted already this kind of brown colour and not been done very well, to be honest. It just falls apart too. There's nothing actually holding the chassis into the body, but it does benefit from having had these extra handrails put in wire, which is quite an interesting touch that the previous owner has done, as well as adding things in like this grille. So I've been commissioned to weather this model, but I think we'll need to completely strip the paint off this to begin with, back to the yellow you can see it's been moulded in, and then go from there. And my unusual paint stripper is actually this Tesco multi-surface cleaner, and it also makes things cotton fresh as well, so that's pretty cool. So for acrylic paint like on this model, just soaking it in this overnight should be enough to actually lift the paint off this and return it back to just the plastic. And by the way, there are other multi-surface cleaners, not just this one from Tesco. I'm not sponsored or anything, so shop around. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is put this in overnight into a bath of this cleaner, and then we'll see what we've got tomorrow morning. So I'll be back in a minute.
Tomorrow.
Well, that stuff has worked wonders again, and here's where we're at with this model. It's revealed it's mostly yellow, but we still have a bit of black here at the top on the roof, which has got some strange scratches in it as well, but I think we can work from this. But it has shown that the previous owner has put some modifications like closing up the door here, obviously the handrails, and some other little pieces of plasticard here and there, including at the front here. And there are pieces like this which are strangely in the white colour, and I haven't actually seen anywhere else that has this in white, so not sure. Also, some of the window actually broke as well when I was cleaning it up. I'll have to glue that back together. I've still got the pieces. So it now begs the question what colour to go with from here. So I had a look on the internet and I found this picture, and it's in yellow, obviously with a black roof, and it also shows some weathering that these kind of snowplows end up with. And I thought this would be a good one to copy with this model. And I checked with the owner and he was in agreement as well, so that's great. So the next step we're going to have to do is spray can this with yellow paint. Well, certainly most of it. And I bought this spray paint off the internet in matte yellow. I think it should do the job. So we'll give it a try. But one of the other things I noticed on the picture was the shape of this part here. And if you look on the model, we've got this part here with another piece of plasticard stuck onto it for some reason. So this piece needs to come off, this little triangle here, and then we can spray the rest of it. We're not going to be doing the roof parts though. These are going to be the same colour as the roof, which will be black. So I'll put those aside for the time being, along with the little seats as well. And the roof is going to be black as well. When I say black, it's going to be like weathered black. So I better cut off the corners on these two pieces and take this and go outside and spray can it.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so this is what we've ended up with after having sprayed it. It does look a bit more yellow than kind of orangey yellow as I hoped it might do, but it does kind of look like the prototype that we're going for. There's still probably a few issues here, like these handrails which were put in by a previous owner, just bits of wire, still aren't really looking that good. So I might actually paint those black and make them a bit of a feature. And if we look at the prototype just briefly at the cabin area and then back on the model here, this door then is, maybe faded black. So that's probably going to get painted next. And then we'll start to weather the yellow. And I've also got to paint the roof, which I'll do as well, but I'll just do that with a paintbrush. But I do think these pieces have turned out really well. So next step is to do some of the black stuff onto this, and then we'll start weathering it.